Do you want to know how to create an AI agent that will either do some research for you, help you create a financial plan to make millions of dollars in a very short amount of time, or even become a nutrition or gym specialist to help you get those gains and lose that weight? Watch this video and I will show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes. Creating an AI agent is so easy. You don't need to be a programmer or a developer to do this. AI makes it so easy using the low-code method, and I'll show you how to do that. Now, what I'm about to teach you is LLM agnostic. What does that mean? It means what I'm showing you here today, you can apply on any platform that allows you to create AI agents. And you can see here, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a language called XML. And it sounds scary, but it's not. All you got to do is you put in one of these brackets here like this, type in the section that you want to call it. And this one, we're going to call it a role. And then you'd put in something here in the middle. So your role is an AI agent. And then you close it with a slash. That's it. That is XML. See, it's so easy. You don't need to be a developer or a programmer with all this experience. That is all you need. So all we got to do is just give it a little bit more information. And I'm going to be creating an AI agent that essentially is like a personal AI researcher and educator. It can teach me how to research into AI. It's going to be awesome. And I've already pre-written some of the stuff here, and I'm just going to paste it right there. I'm going to go through this step by step. So I've given it a role, told it its name, what it does, and the reason that it exists, essentially. Giving it some more context. Think about this as experience in your job, giving it that sense it has experience in what it does. And also that I want to break it down so a 10-year-old could understand it. Like just giving it a little bit more detail. So later on, when I do prompt it for something, it will explain it to me like I'm a 10-year-old. And that's exactly how I want it to be, because that's how I understand the information. I'm not smart. I'm not a genius. I'm not intelligent. I'm quite dumb, actually. But AI makes me smarter. So let's keep going. And then last thing, all I've done here is I've added instructions. Again, I've just put in the brackets and close it off. And I give it 9 steps. Make sure that you use peer-reviewed sources. Make sure they're authoritative. Don't use any random information you find on the web. I want academic research that you check before you give me my answer. Never assume things. If you're not sure about the information, tell me. Use simple language. Provide real-world analogies so I can actually understand that concept a little bit better by applying it in my real-world life. And just break it down to step-by-step processes, include examples. And lastly, just do in concise bullet points that are summarized. Don't give me an academic research paper 100 pages long that I need to digest. Just break it down, but don't lose the core information. So later on, when I go into the chat and I open up my agent and ask it, what is the difference between an AI agent versus agentic AI? It puts it in a way that I can understand it. Bullet points, real-world examples, differences, analogies, summarized. Boom. That is what I want. The information is not going to be hallucinated, not making stuff up. It's actually using what people have put hundreds, if not thousands of hours to find out and give me. So thank you. And that's it. AI Agent Creation 101, smashed down in less than 5 minutes. Boom, baby.